Undersecretary Maridol Sahagur, DOST Assistant Secretary Maria Teresa Guzman, my fellow agency heads, Dr. Annabel Valerie, RD Roms, heads of industry associations, heads of companies, the media, guests, MIRDC employees, ladies and gentlemen, magham na umaga po sa ating lahat. It is both an honor and a privilege to speak with you today, not only to celebrate M&A Week, but also to reflect on the vital role we play in shaping the future of our nation. The metals, engineering, and allied industries are essential partners in driving national development, providing the tools, technologies, and services that power manufacturing and infrastructure. Our push to implement Industry 4.0 in the Philippines is beginning to transform the manufacturing landscape through automation, robotics, Internet of Things, and AI, impacting sectors from agriculture to defense and construction. However, their true value lies in how they are integrated, scaled, and refined over time. Recognizing the evolving landscape of the industrial sector, MIRDC has reoriented its focus to align more closely with the current priorities of the nation. Our updated vision is to be a center of excellence in science, technology, and innovation that supports the growth and development of the metals, engineering, and allied industries. Our mission is to deliver professional management and technical services to both government and private sectors within these industries, including training of engineers and technicians, information exchange, quality control and testing, research and development, technology transfer and commercialization, and business and economics advisory support. Informed by insights from our valued partners in industry, academia, and government, we have crafted the Strategic Plan 2025 to 2034 as a renewed roadmap for progress. This plan emphasizes performance areas where the center's contributions can be clearly demonstrated, specifically our direct support for the metals, engineering, and allied sectors, rather than the broader and more complex measure of global competitiveness. As a key component of this strategy, we have anchored our plans to 9 long-term R&D programs that reflect our proactive response to national goals. These programs are strategically aligned with